In this video, I'm going to show you how to download official Google Chrome on Windows 10. Now, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. So what you need to do is to go to your taskbar at the bottom there. Then you are going to click on Microsoft Edge. Now once you are on the browser, then you need to go to search the web. Then search for Google Chrome. Then press on enter. Then you need to scroll down. Then you will see the first link, www.google.com. Now click on it. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now once you are here, you need to identify your system type and your system requirement. Google Chrome will automatically identify for you your system type. That's why if you see down there, you are going to see it is for Windows 11/10 64-bit. So once you are able to identify that, you need to click on download Chrome. Then as you can see, the file is being downloaded at the top there. Now once it has finished, just click on open file. Then you just click on run to install the software in your computer. But as for me, I have already installed the software, the Chrome browser in my computer, so I'll have no need to reinstall it again. So I'll just leave the video at this point. So that's it guys, that's how to install official Google Chrome on Windows 10. Now if you find value from this video, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.